Hello boys and girls, my name's Ashley. So today we had a lovely teddy bears picnic in the house because it was raining outside. And I had done some lovely singing with all my friends here. I have all my little friends here. So now we've done lots of singing, we've done lots of eating. We are very tired and we're ready for a lovely story. So today I am going to read the story called Peace at Last. So again, for anybody that's seen my stories before, I like to make sure that everybody is sitting lovely and comfy, and I like to make sure that everybody is listening and that we all have our listening ears turned on. Okay? If we haven't got our listening ears turned on, can we do that together, everybody? Are we all ready? So we do this. Ready, steady, go. Shh. And you have to turn them on like that. Okay? So that means that we're all listening to our lovely story. All right? So here we go. Peace at last. The hour was late. Mr. Bear was tired. Mrs. Bear was tired. And Baby Bear was very tired. So they all went upstairs to bed. Mrs. Bear fell asleep, but Mr. Bear didn't. Mrs. Bear began to snore. Went Mrs. Bear. "Oh no," said Mr. Bear. "I can't stand this." So he got up and he went to sleep in Baby Bear's room. Baby Bear was not asleep either. He was lying in bed pretending to be an aeroplane. "Meow, meow," went Baby Bear. "Oh no," thought Mr. Bear. "I can't stand this." So he got up and he went to sleep in the living room. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, cuckoo, 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 went the living room clock. "Oh no," thought Mr. Bear. "I can't stand this." So off he went to sleep in the kitchen. Drip, 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 drip went the leaky tap. Went the refrigerator. "Oh no," thought Mr. Bear. "I can't stand this." So he got up and he went to sleep in the garden. Well, you would not believe the noises that are in the garden at night time. Twit, twoo, went the owl. Sniffle, 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 went the hedgehog. Meow, sang the cats on the wall. "Oh no," thought Mr. Bear. "I can't stand this." So he went off to sleep in the car. It was so cold in the car and Mr. Bear was so uncomfortable. But he was so tired that he didn't notice. He was just about to fall asleep when all the birds started to sing. Twit, twoo, twit, twit, twoo, twit, 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 went the birds. Shine, shine, went the sun in the car window. "Oh no," thought Mr. Bear. "I can't stand this." So he got up and off he went back into the house. In the house, Baby Bear was fast asleep and Mrs. Bear had just turned over and wasn't snoring any more. Mr. Bear got into bed and he thought, "Peace at last," he said to himself. But brrr, brrr, went the alarm clock. Mrs. Bear sat up and rubbed her eyes. "Good morning, my dear," she said. "Did you sleep well?" "Not very well, dear," yawned Mr. Bear. "Never mind," said Mrs. Bear. "I'll bring you a nice cup of tea." And that is what she did. There we go. So I hope you all enjoyed that little story, boys and girls. And again, thank you very much for joining in and watching and listening to our story. And for now, I hope you're all staying safe and taking care. Bye-bye, everybody.
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Anton, and I work for Colin Stewart, and the fathers work on Colin Stewart. And today we are going to read a little book about bears, and in particular about a bear going to sleep at night and being tucked in by his mum. So, in this book we have lots of nice little pictures, and I'm going to show you. And this book is going to be read in Irish by myself, and I hope that everybody can enjoy it. So, if you're looking forward to it, get tucked in and get cozy and get ready for it. Okay? So, an scéal é seo na hAoine Sam. Okay? hAoine Sam, which means good night Sam. An mui is an doratha féin a bhí an. Okay? Sin é Sam san inneog a brathan amach. It's an teachfa geal bhí mommy bear a her Sam a lí. Cearcail learn is a Sam. Oh, Neil or Sam. Tá méid fehu. Okay? Sam's getting put to bed and his mum's asking him, is he okay? And he says, no, I'm waiting. He, mommy, bear ar a labby tíola Sam agus léisiad na leor a bar leis. Bhíos acu na foclaí go léir. Mum lies next to Sam on the bed and they read a book and they all know the words. It's his favourite book. And we can see an lochagin a got his jacks a fall. Here. Little mouse running into the hole. In a sin, bhí mommy bear and ye and pluid a harns a all the smeg Sam. Dat jarrig bhí ar a fluid agus harnsí an tíú eile is teach faoin a chosa mar nead. An mui in san lithe bhí an gaiigh séú. Cearcail leor is a Sam. Oh, Neil or Sam. Tá méid fehu. Okay, so mommy's tucking Sam at the bed and trying to get him all cozied up like a nest. Nead a nest. And let's say there's a storm brewing. Bhí a chairde bug a tíola Sam faoin plúid agus iad ionta comfortach. An mui bhí an waisteach a Glasgow. Splash ar wallag a tí. Splash splash ar na foinneoga. Héid an ghaich. That's how wind sounds. Cearcail leor is a Sam. Oh, Neil or Sam. Tá méid fehu. Sam's a labby let a chairde a leg. Sam's in bed with his friends getting tucked in. And outside again the storm is brewing. Hánig mommy bear le baine an agus an aglinne agus dul sé é. Bhí sé blasta agus té. An uair sin dúirt mommy bear an leis multu cearcail leor a chreis Sam a ceann. No, Neil, tá méid fehu or session. Now mommy has brought 2 glasses of milk and they've drunk it. And she asked him, are you okay? But he says, no, I am waiting. Or some mommy bear. Rimé ahanrod. For to lure, ta nead jantadich, agus ta the chairde lat agus baine aldagat. Ach, Neil tú sásta. Kajé alad talajano wagam. Ta sogat or Sam. So mommy's wondering what she has to do to make him happy. He's got milk, he's got his books read, he's got his friends with him, he's tucked in, but he's still waiting. Or some mommy. Lore, pluage, carja, banya, book, blanket, friends and milk. What else could you be wanting? Cathedral to Fanacht. Visamic fehu was a fehu. August in Sanjero, Dutch mommy bear, all tas ugam. Pog agus coddle too. I know what you're waiting for. A kiss and then you'll sleep. Agus croup she sees agus hug she pog agus gafog galata Sam. She bent down and gave him a kiss, 2 kisses and another 2 kisses to put him to sleep. But Sam isn't happy. Pog ella or Sam. Agus croup she sees a reach agus hug she pog gafog galata Sam. And she bent down again to give him 1 kiss, 2 kisses and another 2 kisses to Sam. A mwy, héid an glich, agus bhí an isce a Glasgow heart. It's an teachba geal chur mommy bear as an solas agus a grag o hanal, codlan ish Sam, codlan ish. Quietly, Mummy put out the light and said, "Sleep now, Sam, sleep now." Agus hit Sam an a cholú is an teachbag geall, éad go hain ihe goratha féin, agus sin é Deardaoin scéal. Sam fell asleep in the little bright house on their own with the wild wind blowing outside. And that's the end of our story. Okay, guys? Ian tak mooi. Just a bit kind of, agus just like a bullshit, and ye scale cojash and a cleansed. Slán this charge. Goodbye, take care, and have a nice day.
Today we will be making honey and chocolate shredded wheats.
And this is our ingredients that we need. Shredded wheat, honey, sprinkles for decoration,
and these for decoration.
There for decoration.
And chocolate
and cupcake buns.
Come on, go.
First of all, we're going to break up the chocolate.
Like this.
And pour some hot water into a pan or a pot.
Yeah, so you break the chocolate in bowls. You break them all in one piece.
Now, and then we're going to put the bowl on the pot, and we're going to let it all melt.
Which should probably only take 5 minutes.
It should only take about 5 minutes. Now,
So, is it on?
yes, go.
Oh, so it's starting to melt and we're just mixing it. So yeah.
Almost there. Oh. So
it's basically melted, but there's still big blocks of chocolate.
so
Like this.
so we're going to add some honey.
Yes.
We're going to add some honey. Right. We're going to add the honey. We're adding some honey. Olivia's going to keep mixing. And I'm going to keep adding honey. For the teddy bears, because the teddy bears love honey, Olivia. And this is for the teddy bear picnic. Isn't it?
It looks delicious.
Honey. Keep mixing.
So these are the shredded wheats and we're going to break them up and put them in here.
Right, let's go.
So my mummy's adding the shredded wheats.
We're just going to
And we're going to crunch them up. And it looks delicious. And yeah.
very messy.
So yeah. And this is the second one. It looks delicious.
Right, now Olivia's going to mix all the chocolate and honey.
And shredded wheats. It looks really, really yummy. I can't wait to taste it. So we took it out of the pot and we're just mixing. I'm going to add them into this.
We've got all our cupcake holders for the shredded wheat buns, and
there's still a lot more.
we're gonna put them all in.
So we're adding the thing into the cupcake things. And it looks delicious. So now I'm adding the leaf into and like all decorations and all.
We're gonna decorate the buns.
And these are edible.
And we're gonna add some sprinkles too.
Mummy, I'm adding them.
I'll just add some here first. Some sprinkles.
I'm just adding some leaves for decoration.
Go.
So now we're adding this. Oh my.
You can actually also put the sprinkles in to the chocolate when it was melted.
I know, but we didn't.
But we did do that. Now, so there you have it.
And now we're going to do a taste test.
This is our version of chocolate and honey shredded wheat buns decorated with edible flowers and sprinkles. Now Olivia is going to do a taste test. A taste test.
Can I do it with a spoon?
Yeah. She's going to do it with a spoon because they haven't set yet. You have to leave them to sit for 20 minutes to half an hour maybe.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Nice. So there you have it. Marks out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Hello guys, how are you today? I hope everybody is staying good and healthy at home. And well, as you know, my name is Consuelo and I work for Superstar, and I am here today to do some rhyme time. Is that okay? With me I got my friend Carrie Fergus and my friend Dora, and they are going to be my helper and they're going to help me to sing songs. Okay? I am going to be then here right on the sides and they can help me and do some craft for me as well. Okay? So I'm going to start with hello everyone. I hope everybody remember that lovely song. Okay? Hello everyone. Hello everyone. It's good to see you here. Yay! Okay, we are going to sing some Spanish song and we're going to say good morning, which is buenos días. Okay? Buenos días, buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Gusto en saludarte, gusto en saludarte. Adiós, adiós. Yeah! What about wind the bobbin up? Okay? Wind the bobbin up. Wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling and point to the floor. Point to the window and point to the door. Put your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands on your knees. Yay! What about another Spanish song? Okay? It's all the finger ready and we put on them behind our back. Okay? Papá dedo, ¿dónde estás? Aquí estoy, ¿qué tal estás? Mamá dedo, ¿dónde estás? Aquí estoy, ¿qué tal estás? Hermano dedo, ¿dónde estás? Aquí estoy, ¿qué tal estás? Hermana dedo, ¿dónde estás? Aquí estoy, ¿qué tal estás? Bebe dedo, ¿dónde estás? Aquí estoy, ¿qué tal estás? Bien! I hope everybody's singing the song at home. What about now 3 little monkeys, okay? 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Yay! Cheeky monkeys. What about now if you're happy, okay? If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really wanna, so if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stand your feet, stamp, stamp. If you're happy and you know, stand your feet, stamp, stamp. If you're happy and you know, and you really wanna so. If you're happy and you know, stand your feet, stamp, stamp. If you're happy and you know, so it we are, we are. If you're happy and you know, so it we are, we are. If you're happy and you know, and you really wanna so. If you're happy and you know, so it we are, we are. Yeah. Well done, everybody. I can stand up now because I am sitting in that chair and I am recording with my phone, but you can stand up half if you want when you're watching the video and do the same accent that I am going to do now, okay? Hey, sol de mis santos, mis santos. Hey, sol de mis santos, and eyes and ears and mouths and nose. Hey, sol de mis santos, mis santos. What about the same one in Spanish? Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Y boca, ojos, nariz y orejas. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies, rodillas, pies. Bien!
Hi everyone. Just before I started, I'd like to say a big thank you to Joe from Féile and Phobail for inviting us here to participate in this year's virtual programme, albeit a bit different from normal, but thanks again, Joe. We're going to describe some of the services we offer from Outer West Belfast Sure Start. We're based, our office base is in Stewartstown Road. We're just above the coffee house, a very well-known local landmark, and we cover 4 ward areas, Glencolin, Ladybrook, Andersonstown and Glen Road. And to be eligible for Sure Start, you have to live in one of these 4 ward areas and to be expecting a baby or have a child or children under the age of 4. That's to register. So we're a multidisciplinary team, and we're made up of a health visitor, a midwife, speech and language therapist, early years team and a family support team. And in terms of our services, it's very hard this year not to look through everything in a COVID-19 lens, because things have changed like everyone else's. Our services will become virtual and will be low level. Normally they are not. And so I'd like to talk about our normal services, not the services that we're currently operating now like everyone else, because hopefully we'll get back to them very soon. So we would offer, in terms of antenatal services, we would offer home visiting, antenatal antenatal checks, clinic. We would offer reflexology, antenatally hypnobirthing, and antenatal swim. And that would be some of the things that the Sure Start midwife would offer. In terms of the Sure Start health visitor, she would operate a weekly baby clinic. In normal times, at the minute it's kind of by invite only. It's normally a drop-in format, but it can't be that way for the foreseeable due to the restrictions. She also would offer postnatal workshops and also weaning workshops and workshops around, potty training, etc. So she also would do home visiting to register families and offer advice around child development and health and well-being. In terms of speech and language service, again, she would be there to support parents whose children present with maybe speech delay or additional needs, and a lot of her services would be referring on to core services and also delivering programs that support parents to support their children. As we said, like parental element in Sure Start is very important to Sure Start and very important overall. So that's our role. We're here to support our parents. In terms of our early years team, we offer developmental programs for 2-year-olds like all Sure Starts, and we also offer small group programs for children who present with additional needs. That's just again to support the children in the setting, in the play setting, and to support the parents to help them, manage the children. In terms of early years, we also operate in a normal times, in normal times, we operate a drop-in and play session daily, and we offer them across all the ward areas. We do a lot of outreach, so we would go up to, we'll be in Hannahstown one day, maybe St Michael's the next, down in Suffolk Community Centre, up in Glen Community Centre, up in St Teresa's Primary School. So, and that's normal. We would normally have those spread across to give access to our families, and they just drop in, they just come along and drop in. However, at the minute, as said, these are not normal times, so again, lower level, less venues, and by invitation only. The early years team also offer a rhyme time in the local library, and that's the kind of things, a good stimulating play to support the children in their ability to learn, because that's how young children learn, through play, and to make sure that they're ready for the next stage, which is nursery and then on to primary school. Other services that we offer, very heavily focused on postnatal services, probably baby massage, baby yoga, baby time programs, which are like developmental programs for children not to 1 year, baby swim, toddler swim. So we've a lot of variety in normal times, and they're very well attended. Families like them. The family support team then is managed by our health visitor. So a lot of interconnection there in terms of supporting parents in their children's development, like managing challenging behaviour. A lot of other practical support, as well as signposting on for benefits, advice, housing, the normal things that people face on a day-to-day basis. And I would like, I'm talking about the team, I'd just like to thank all the team, and I really, they've worked really hard through this emergency, and they do it on a normal basis anyway, but they really went the extra mile through the emergency. And I'd like to particularly thank the staff who were involved in the making of these virtual videos to contribute to Féile and Phobail. And on that note, I would also like to wish Féile and Phobail all the very best this year for their programme, albeit a virtual one, and I hope it's a great success.